Oh! Lamarr Wilson. How you doing? Good to see Lamarr Wilson here, back for another video. And guys, I am a Spider-Man fan. Huh? I have Spider-Man Pops. I have the Spider-Man PS4. Oh, we match. I have a Spider-Man bank. I even have a Miles Morales Spider-Man painting. So it stands to reason that when I saw this on the website, I said, you know what, I gotta get this. They have sponsored me before. This is not a sponsored thing. I paid my own money. They didn't even know I bought it. Will you hurry up and open? I know how I titled this, and some of y'all will be like, Lamarr, really? But let me explain. Don't you hurry up. Oh my God. Okay. How y'all doing? See, already I'm clowning. Oh my God, I didn't realize the back would be like this. Oh! Oh, snap. Okay. Yes, I got a Spider-Man Xbox controller. I get it. Okay, let me show it to you first because I know Spider-Man came out on a PS4. It's a Sony-owned product. Like, what's your and it's like, look, they already made, I know it don't look nothing like this, but they already had, I wanted something different. I use my Xbox the most. I have all three consoles, but you are so beautiful. Oh, okay. You are so beautiful. I'm sorry, I'm gonna show it to you. To me, hold on one more time. Can't you see? Oh, I'm sorry. You're everything I hope. Okay, I'm sorry. You're everything I need. Okay, here we go. Guys, let that go. If you are a Spider-Man fan, look, they have it. They have the design for PS4, for Xbox. I know I'm sounding like I'm selling for them, but I'm just so excited about it. And they do have a PS4. When I just said that, you can make it for the Switch Pro controller as well. Look at the back. Look, oh, like this is the best controller, custom wise, I have ever seen. They've had this on their site a while. I saw it on Instagram and I was like, that is so nasty, but it's mine. I can do what I want. So this is the main controller I use. Love it. This is my new controller. So a Spider-Man Switch one would make sense because you have the Marvel Ultimate Alliance 3 coming out on the Switch soon. PS4 obviously because the Spider-Man game, I finished it 100%. I love that game. Oh my God, I'm the completionist, not Gerard. Haha, beat you. No, he beat me actually. There's Marvel Ultimate Alliance 1 and 2, and they were remastered or re-released, not remastered, but whatever. And I could. It don't matter what game I play. I just want to sit there and play Assassin's Creed Odyssey or Division 2 and look down and see Spider-Man right there and just be happy. I just wanted to share this with you because it's like, oh, this is a dream. You want to see my other collection? Let's take a look. And over here, if you're new here, this is new to you, but you've seen this if you've been here. This is my collection of Xbox controllers. Yes, I am an Xbox fan. I'm not ashamed of that. Can we talk about that Supreme controller though? I'm just saying this little hype beast Lamarr going on right there. Just a little bit. And whenever I'm hungry, oh my God, okay. Why so serious though? Okay, I'll stop. Anyway, here's some more. I'm running out of room fast. Like I only have like 1, 2, 3 more spots. What am I gonna do? Well, maybe I'll get rid of a few of these. I don't know. Anyway, and then my Cuphead collection because I just love that so much. That is so awesome. I just like looking at it every day. Okay, back upstairs. Those are nice, but ain't nothing like this one. If you think another controller in my collection is better than this one, let me know in the comments. If this is the best looking, it doesn't matter if you're a PS4 fan or a Switch or Xbox or even PC. You gotta admit, just the design. It is so nice. Tonight I'm gonna do things to you. Tonight I celebrate my love for you and hope this world see it through. Sorry. Tonight, no one ever find us loving and beside us when I make love to you tonight.